Hello, good morning, everyone. So let's have a quick daily briefing for today. In just a quick recap on yesterday's data. Okay, so first things we have the wholesale price index for Germany for month-on-month basis for June. So previous data was 1.7% and forecasted at 1.1%. And for the release time yesterday, 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. rather. And for the monthly basis for June, the wholesale price index for Germany, it was 1.5%. So higher than the forecasted, but it's slightly lower than the previous one. And next things we have the wholesale price index as well for Germany, but year-on-year basis for the month of June. So previous data was 9.7%, and they are forecasting it at 10.2%. And for the yearly basis, it went up around 10.7%. So it beats the market forecasted data in the previous one. So yesterday, there's nothing much, but overall, the data for Germany is actually it created a bullish momentum, in particular with these indices. So this one is the DAX 30 or the German 30 on the 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, right after the release for both data, the German 30 or the DAX 30 went up for 160 pips yesterday. So it created a significant move. So it went up sharply around the 1580 territory. So since the 10.7% on the yearly basis for Germany, that one is actually their highest since 2003. So the last time they've had the 10.7% was 2003. 2003. So that is why right after the release, it made a significant move for these indices. And for economic data today, during the European session, we have to focus on the inflation rate for Germany as well, monthly basis and yearly basis as well. And for the US session, we have to focus on the inflation rate, monthly basis and yearly basis for the dollar. So the release time, 8:30 p.m. So for Monday and Tuesday, there's nothing much, but we have to focus on a lot of data for this week, such as the interest rate decision for New Zealand and Canada. And we have the inflation rate as well for UK and European zone, and also some employment data and unemployment data for some currencies as well. So key product for today, we have gold. So during the Asian session, the current price of gold was around 1812.36 per ounce. But if we are going to base the stats on the data for the dollar, it's actually expected to be much less or lower comparing on the previous one. So overall, if the data for the dollar later on did not beat the expectation, so it may benefit the gold from there. So possible support is 1794.92 and 1783.71 per ounce, and resistance 1814.31 and 1822.21 per ounce, respectively. So again, for the European session, we have to focus on the inflation rate for Germany, monthly basis and yearly basis. And for the US session, we have the inflation rate for monthly basis and yearly basis as well later at 8:30 p.m. So again, as I've said earlier, for Monday and Tuesday, there's nothing much, but for starting Wednesday until Friday, it will be a very busy to some other currencies because we have interest rate decision for New Zealand and Canada coming up, and we have employment data for Aussie and other currencies, and inflation rate for UK and European zone. So we can expect that for this week, if those data will be released, we can expect that the market will be very volatile. All right, so that's all for our daily briefing today. Thank you everyone for joining. Please stay safe and have a great day.